In this video, we're going to look at a common error that can occur with the VLOOKUP and other lookup functions that you should be aware of. So we have some data over here. It's the top 100 films from the Internet Movie Database, and we're going to enter a VLOOKUP formula in this cell E2, to return the position of the Lion King movie. So if we open up a VLOOKUP formula, specify our lookup value of the Lion King, and then we're going to select our table array, which is all of these cells over here. Specify F4 just to lock that, and then the column index number will be 2, and then for range lookup we're looking for an exact match, so false, and then we're going to close this formula off and hit enter. Now you'll notice we get an NA, an error, and the Lion King movie, it is in this list. It's actually position number 34, so we should really be seeing 34 here. But what has occurred is that this cell here actually has 2 spaces at the end of the Lion King text. So what that means is that when the VLOOKUP formula is looking for a match of this value versus the values in this column here, the cell here doesn't have any spaces, and just those spaces alone means those 2 cells don't match. So that's why we're not getting the position returned here. If we delete those 2 spaces, you'll see the formula works fine. But this is just an example of how you need to be aware that when you're working with lookup formulas, a common error that can occur is that there's a very small, subtle difference between your lookup value and the cells in the column that you're performing the lookup, and how you need to be aware of that when you're investigating any errors that are coming up in your results. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.